need to talk.
Die, you nuisance!
Ultimate move! Phantom thread! Chisaki!
I don't have any children.
Sorry about this.
You put Eri down. If I break her, he'll be forced to... Chrono! Back off!
Of course you would do that! Monster! Make no mistake! I'm stronger!
Shoot! His true feelings.
I'm not going to let you down again. Don't worry. I won't let you suffer. Not anymore!
You came here to save this girl, and it's her power that will end everything you've come to rely on. You're powerless!
Watch your opponent carefully. Predict his next move. I am still Lemillion!
I can't believe it. Sakaki's quirk is still in effect. Madness! What is he?
I'm still fighting. Chisaki!
I told you that's not my name anymore!
I'll save her!
Has been for nothing! You get it, Nomoto. You want me to succeed. You've always been eager to help. So I know you'll happily give your life for my cause, won't you? But in the end, I will still be the victor. Now, heroes, I'll have you return Eri to me. Your friends will die along with you.
Down, Deku. I'll deal with him. You look out for Lemillion and Eri. Understood, sir? I'm pretty sure this'll lead us back. We need to get away from Chisaki. Sir? One for all! 20%! To hold out a little longer. Win with one blow. One strike to the head. Manchester!
The lines of your movements are painfully easy to predict. Someone else is about to die because of you.
I don't want this.
The faint flicker of hope Lemillion gave her has been extinguished. Don't you see? You think you're helping her, but you're really just being cruel.
Maybe what he said is true. I'm not letting anyone die! I'm going to save you! Chisaki! She's coming with us! Save her
to rewind.
Eri!
No, we have to sacrifice some to see.
Give her back!
I will win. I will save people.
Chisaki!
Is this your power at work? Are you a healer?
In order to realize the old man's greatest wish, I need you, Eri. Hand her over. The only way to stop her is to disassemble her. Or did you want to be wiped out of existence?
Okay, Eri. Hold on. It seems to me your quirk is a blessing, Eri. I understand her power's effects now. One for all, full calming! 100%!
With her powers, I can end this infected society! Cure this hero's sickness! She is mine!
Save Eri. One small child who's relying on me to help her. Then how can I call myself a hero who saves everybody? That's who I'm gonna be!